The County of Santa Barbara Public Works Department manages most of our community's waste disposal needs through a large number of innovative programs and facilities. The county is always looking to adopt innovative technologies and implement new programs to meet the community's needs. One facility that the county would like to radically change is the Tahigas landfill through the currently proposed Resource Recovery Project. The county-owned and operated Tahigas landfill currently serves the cities of Santa Barbara, Goleta, Buellton, and Solvang, as well as the unincorporated communities of the South Coast, the Santa Ynez and Cuyama valleys. These communities together recycle more than 70% of the waste they generate. Success in recycling is made possible through the use of innovative programs like turning green waste into mulch, collection and recycling of hazardous household waste, collection and recycling of electronic waste, and of course, curbside commingled recycling. But we are still burying more than a quarter of our waste, which means that more than 170,000 tons each year at the Tahigas landfill. Since the last expansion of the landfill, the County Department of Public Works has been researching alternatives to landfilling our community's waste resources. After giving more than 100 presentations on this topic, we have a good sense that our community wants to do more with its waste. Public input was key in developing the goals and criteria we use for evaluating the different feasible technologies and proposals for this project. In the past 6 years, we have reviewed dozens of different technologies and facilities to find what would be the best fit for our community and have chosen to pursue what we call the Resource Recovery Project. This project would sort through the trash currently taken to Tahigas for burial. Right now, we know that we are still burying recyclables, and we are still also burying organics like food waste and used paper plates. Not only would this facility be able to pull out recyclables and send them to market, but it would also pull out those organics left in the trash can and process it through anaerobic digestion. This anaerobic digestion facility is a big step forward because organics alone account for almost 30% of what is buried today. It is the organics that, when buried, create greenhouse gas emissions like methane. We have a methane collection system in place right now, but even with best available technology, we are only capturing 75% of the methane produced by the waste that we bury. This new facility would break down the organic material in an airtight container, making sure that all methane is captured and turned into electricity, enough to power more than 1,000 homes. The greenhouse gas reductions made through this process and through pulling out recyclables is over 133,000 metric tons equivalent of carbon dioxide. This is the same as if we took more than 25,000 passenger vehicles off of the road. There is no other single project in our county that has the potential to make such a reduction in greenhouse gases. The organic material left after being processed by the anaerobic digester would then be cured into compost or other useful soil amendments. We expect this project to reduce what we bury by more than half, which would increase our regional recycling rate to above 85%. This facility would be privately financed on public property, so there would be no public money spent on building this facility. We have found that this project would have little or no additional cost to ratepayers in our community compared to the alternatives of expanding the existing landfill, building a new landfill, or exporting our waste out of the community. These alternatives are all very expensive, and we believe that this project is not only the environmentally superior option for our community, but the financially superior one as well. This project has been developed with the help of the city governments that use this facility, but also with the input of the community. We will be distributing the draft environmental impact report for this project in the beginning of 2014 and hope to get some good feedback from the community to make this project even better. In the meantime, any local organization that is interested in this project can request a meeting with County Public Works staff by giving us a call or logging onto the project website. For more information on the Resource Recovery Project, please call the Resource Recovery and Waste Management Division at 882-3600 or try the project website at www.resourcerecoveryproject.com.